The first user story, allow admin to create surveys on the portal, focuses on the ability of an admin user to create new surveys on the site. Let's check out the description. The user story states that as an admin user, you want to be able to create surveys on the portal. Let's dive deeper into the user story. Given that you are an admin user, on the survey's configuration page, you will see open and closed tabs, the reader poll section, and plus new survey button. The open tab contains a question, its status, not published, published, actions, for published, close, for not published, publish, responses, which indicates the amount of people who passed the survey, and a delete icon for each row. The unpublished surveys will be at the top of the list. When you click plus new survey, you will see a new survey form on the right side that contains a required text field for a question, a calendar icon to select a period for voting, which is required and cannot be selected for the past date, a required input field for the answer option, the link button to add one more answer option, and cancel and save buttons. By entering the new question and clicking save, the survey is saved into the database in not published status, and you will see that the survey question will appear at the top of the list of the open tab. When you select the Not Published survey on the Open tab, to the right you will see a read-only reader poll with delete and edit buttons. If you click Edit, you will see a form with pre-populated data, the Cancel and Save buttons. If you change anything in the survey and click Save, you will see the updated survey on the Open tab. But if you click Delete on a Not Published survey, a confirmation dialog window will appear asking you to confirm the decision, after which you will see a success message and the survey will be removed from the list. When you hover over the survey on the list, then you see the delete icon. When you click the delete icon, you will see a confirmation dialog. When you confirm deletion on the confirmation dialog, you will see a success message and the survey will be removed from the list. By following the user story of allow admin to create surveys on the portal, you will enable an admin user to make new surveys on the portal. This user story allows you to create, delete, or edit surveys on the site on the survey's configuration page. The second user story, allow admin to publish surveys, focuses on the ability of an admin user to make the surveys visible to users on the portal. Let's check out the description. The user story states that as an admin user, you want to be able to publish surveys so that users can see them and vote. Let's dive deeper into the user story. Given that you are an admin user, when you are on the survey's configuration page, on the Open tab, you will see a Publish action for not published surveys. When you click the Publish button, you will see a success message, the survey status will be changed to Published, and the survey will be visible for site users. When you select a published survey, you will see a survey read-only details in the reader poll without any action buttons, as well as the progress bars for each answer. By following the user story of allow admin to publish surveys, you will enable an admin user to make the surveys visible to users on the portal. This user story allows you to publish not published surveys on the portal, and check out read-only details for published surveys. The third user story, allow admin to close surveys, focuses on the ability of an admin user to close a survey on the portal. Let's check out the description. The user story states that as an admin user, you want to be able to close surveys. Let's dive deeper into the user story. Given that you are an admin user, when you are on the survey's configuration page, on the Open tab, you will see a close action for surveys in published status. When you click it, a success message will appear and the survey will be moved to closed tab and no longer be visible to viewers. Note that when the survey configured end day is passed, the survey will be automatically moved to the closed tab and won't be available for users. On the Closed tab, you will see a list of closed surveys that contains the following: question, closed date, responses, the number of people who passed the survey, and a delete icon for each row. You will see read-only details, including the progress bars, in the reader poll to the right if you select any survey. And by hovering over any survey on the list, you will see a delete icon, after clicking which a confirmation dialog window will appear. If you confirm the decision, a success message will appear and the survey will be removed from the list. By following the user story of Allow Admin to Close Surveys, you will enable an admin user to close a survey on the portal. This user story allows you to close a survey, view details about it on the Close tab, and delete it if necessary. The fourth user story, Allow Admin to Filter Surveys, focuses on the ability of an admin user to filter through the existing surveys on the portal. Let's check out the description. The user story states that as an admin user, you want to be able to filter the open surveys. Let's dive deeper into the user story. Given that you are an admin user, when you are on the survey's configuration page, on the Open tab, you will see a status filter and a search icon. By clicking the status filter, you will see three options: all, published and not published, which allow you to filter the surveys. And when you click the search icon, you will see a search field. By typing the first symbol or at least three symbols, the list of surveys will refresh with matching results. By following the user story of Allow Admin to Filter Surveys, you will enable an admin user to filter the open surveys on the portal. This user story allows you to filter the surveys and search for the needed surveys in the search field. And with that, we conclude our series dedicated to surveys on the portal. We've explored 4 user stories, each designed to give a deeper view into how an admin user can create, edit, delete, and close a survey. Remember that this feature is crucial for admin users to be able to gather information about a certain topic from the users by creating a voting survey with options.